Visibility down to zero because of blowing snow, multiple crashes, and cars stranded or even abandoned on the side of the highway. A blizzard isn't just less than ideal conditions for post-holiday travel, it's incredibly dangerous, and it's what drivers in Iowa were facing Sunday. More specifically, this was I-35 in Clear Lake, which is north of Des Moines. The conditions led to closures, not just to this highway, but several others in the area, and a lot of people were just trying to get home, so naturally the traffic moved to secondary roads, where, once again, traffic was stopped at times because of near zero visibility. Now, the Iowa Department of Transportation said Monday they do not recommend people try to take alternate routes, but just stay inside until things are back open and safe. They said they were working to get I-35 back open Monday.